So here we have the Fusion 360 CAD model. And it was basically created in two large assemblies, the lower chassis and the upper chassis. You can see it being animated. There are a lot of joints to get this to work. I was able to get most of them operational using the joints available in Fusion, although there were a couple things I could not model. One of them was this cam here with this mechanism here for the VU meter needles. And the reason being is because if you set a tangent relationship here, this component is actually moving up and down vertically also. So it creates a sliding kind of motion, which Fusion, at least at the moment, doesn't deal with. I could create a contact set, but those are very compute intensive and they don't seem to work very well. The other little modeling glitch here is this cam, for some reason, seems to be resetting itself before it does a complete 360. But I wasn't too worried about that because I knew that all that was going to work. This here, I wasn't sure how it was going to work, but turns out it worked okay.